Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add pictures to Wix gallery. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply click on add elements, and then you're going to have to go to image, and you can simply add your image, or you can go to gallery, and as you can see here we have different options of galleries. So simply add your element to your page, and then you're going to be able to simply click on manage media, and then here you're going to be able to upload your own images. So let's see, because it's a bug here, so I'm gonna have to reconnect to my account. So basically there you're gonna have to simply add your so let's go back here to my sites, and then I'm gonna go to my account. So let's log in back here. So basically you're gonna be able to upload the images from your computer. So let me go back here to edit site, and then you're gonna have to add the gallery. And when you click on manage images, so click on add elements, gallery, and choose let's see, this one here. Then you're gonna be able to upload as I said earlier, and basically that's it. So basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.